Okay, what we have here is a classic struggle. Am I going to eat you, or are you going to eat me? Would you work this hard for your food? I would say not. The little guy's already lost a leg. Maybe 2 legs. The spider waits. Like, oh, I'm going to eat your ass. You just wait. I'm going to eat you from the little pink tip that keeps poking out all the way down to your snout. I'm going to taste you a little bit in a second. Keep moving. It's not going to help. It's not going to help. Oh, no. I ain't ate in 3 days. I'm eating you. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Not yet. Not yet. Come on, pink meat. Stick on out. Stick on out. Wait for it. Wait. You hear the other bugs like, I think he's gone. I think if I wiggle just a little bit more, I can get out of here. Wait a minute. Wiggle. What was that? Wait a minute. Wiggle. I think I'm missing a leg, but if I just, what's wrong with my back legs? They're stuck, bent, broke at the segment. I got it. Stretch. I can't. What's going on? Stretch, little. Stretch. Yeah. Oh, man, I'm almost free. Hold on. I gotta stretch a little. Stretch a little more. Oh, man, I'm straining my butt. Oh, my goodness. Hold on. Here we go. Wait, what was that? I don't know. Let me stretch. Wait a minute. Let me stretch. I'm getting up out of here. That's crazy. This girl gonna tell me to come meet her over at this web. Man, she set me up. When I see her, I'm kicking her ass. Just, ooh-wee. I knew all booty wasn't good booty. I should have just said no. Wait, what was it? What was that? I can't see. Okay, stretch out. Stretch it. Stretch it. Oh my God, I'm getting so tired. I gotta get out of here. Go. I gotta stretch. Go. Oh man, didn't work. Wait a minute. Stretch. No, not that. Oh man, I gotta. Oh shoot, I'm tired. I gotta get out of here. Got to get out of here. Got to get out of this. Oh my goodness. Whew. I can't. I gotta hurry up before this damn spider come back. Man. Wait a minute. What's that down there? Who's there? Who's here? Who's back there? Who is that? Damn it, I don't know. I seen something. Who is that back there? Is that the damn spider? Who is that? Let me get out of here. Someone's back there. I can't see him. I can't see. I gotta stretch. Wait a minute. I gotta get out. Who is that back there? I know someone. I see something. Who are you? Hey, whoever you are. Hey, can you help me before the spider come back? Who's back there? Hey, please help. Please, help me. Help. Oh, my butt is going numb. Oh, I'm missing some legs. There they go, but I can't use them. This guy spit on my legs or something. It's sticky. Oh, it hurts. Oh, I got it. Oh, my goodness. I gotta go. Man, I got kids, man. I got kids. Let me. Oh, there. Oh, get off my butt. Oh, wait a minute. No, get off my booty. No, rape. Help. Somebody's, get off of me. Get off of me. No. Don't do that. Get off my butt. Get off my booty. I said, get off. No means no. Get off of. No means no. Get off. I'll never be the same again. Oh, my. Oh, you must be from France. Oh, that's so wrong. Oh.